Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the users and accounts, so almost at the very bottom of the list. Let's tap on it. So here we have to tap on Add Account in this section Accounts for Owner, and then tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's totally up to you. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on the specific option to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so here we've got the shortcuts of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it. Simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.